Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. What I got here is Munster cheese from the Alsace region in France. This is a very fragrant cheese. It has a quite penetrating smell. Some people don't like it for that reason. I like it and I even love the flavor more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a burger topped with this beautiful cheese. First up, it's the beef. Of course I wanted to have 175 grams burger, but of course there was only, as always, 300 grams available. So it's going to be a big burger. This seasoning is going to be Vitsin. Like, that's the Asian kind of salt. Then black pepper, cumin, which goes very well with my Alsatian cheese. Lots of cumin, really. This goes perfect with Munster. And then a little bit of freshly chopped garlic. I want to keep this recipe for the burger itself simple because I want all the flavors come from the Munster cheese and also from the burger, but I'm gonna keep it really very easy on the spices and herbs. Mix this thoroughly. Shaping the burger patty. And this patty goes into the fridge for at least 1/2 hour. Then the other preparation I have to do is to slice my Munster cheese in two, because I want it to melt over the burger evenly. So it's a little bit tricky maybe, but this is the sharpest knife I got. So yeah, a little bit of olive oil. Not too much. Then the burger goes straight in there. A little bit more oil there. With the burger, I put the Munster on top. And then I place this lid on top. Then use any pan, anything as a lid. And then the cheese will cook very quickly because it's a very soft cheese. Soaking sesame looks like very quite done already, kind of like. Just leave this burger to rest for a couple of minutes. Toasting the bun. Now this is where the best part of the story starts, because I'm not a very good cook or chef or whatever, But I like to make food, so let's make this burger. I start with a little bit of Sarepska mustard. This one. For a nice kind of spicy flavor. Then what I got here is arugula. Then my Munster Burger, topped with the top side of the bun. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you the Munster Burger. I'm 100% ready for this one, this burger. That Munster cheese, yeah, that's incredible for the flavor. Cumin is nice with the Munster cheese. And with the beef. I think I overdone it a little bit with the cheese, but anyway, I love Munster cheese, so why not? This is a beautiful burger, very subtle in the flavors, you know. There's a Munster cheese, a little sweet, a little spicy, a little salty. Together with the beef with that cumin. Arugula provides spiciness as well, punchiness maybe, if you might, yeah, you might call it that. I really love a burger like this. Lots of cheese, lots of beef. So I wanna thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.